I have a beautiful verse from Halasya Mahatmya Skanda Purana. Meenakshi Shivanyana Dayinyai Nada Rupinyai Gurumurtaye Namastubhyam Sarvasanga Namaskrita. Listen. Salutations to Meenakshi, the bestower of Shivanyana, the supreme knowledge of Shiva, Paramadvaita Anubhuti, who has the form of the Guru, who is the very form of the Lord, who is worshipped by all the saints and the Sangha, the Pandya kingdom. Only if you understand this, you will also understand how the Shiva Bhaktas say, Mata cha Parvati Devi Pita Devo Maheshwaraha Bandava Shiva Bhaktascha Swadesho Bhuvanatrayam. For Shiva Bhaktas, 3 world is their nation, because Meenakshi ran all the 3 world, 3 Bhuvanas with Dharma Shastras, with the Parama Shivanyana.